In this paper, we explore various methodologies to enhance the pre-training of language models, focusing on dataset selection, data augmentation, synthetic data usage, rephrasing techniques, and the integration of real and synthetic data. We introduce the Do-Re-Mi method for dataset selection, which reweights data from diverse domains to select the best data mixture for pre-training, significantly improving the quality of the pre-training data. Additionally, we delve into the benefits of data augmentation and the use of synthetic data, demonstrating that a synthetically generated dataset, specifically stories for toddlers, enables a small language model to generate more coherent sentences. However, we also caution against the potential harm of training exclusively on synthetic data for multiple rounds. Our research further discusses the modification of web documents into 4 distinct rephrasing styles: easy, medium, hard, and QA, to diversify training data and enhance the model's versatility in understanding and generating text across various styles and formats. This approach, coupled with the balanced sampling of real and synthetic data in a 1-to-1 ratio, ensures a diverse and effective training dataset, significantly contributing to the style diversity in language modeling. Moreover, we trained decoder-only transformer models at 3 different scales and pre-trained the XL models for a total of 300,000 steps, outlining a comprehensive and detailed pre-training process. This meticulous approach to architecture and pre-training underscores our commitment to refining the model's capabilities. Lastly, we evaluated the perplexity of our pre-trained model on the validation set of multiple out-of-distribution datasets, achieving notable improvements in the model's ability to understand and generate coherent text across various domains. This perplexity evaluation serves as a testament to the effectiveness of our methodologies in enhancing the pre-training of language models, showcasing significant advancements in the field.